I am Mr. Smith. I am here to explain you the synopsis of the story A Letter to God. What is the meaning of the word synopsis? It means summary of the story, right? When the letter reaches the local post office, the postmaster is moved by Lencho's faith and decides to help. He gathers money from his colleagues and friends, but can only collect 70 pesos. He puts the money in an envelope and signs it God. When Lencho receives the letter, instead of being grateful, he becomes angry. He believes God sent the full amount, but the post office employees must have stolen the remaining 30 pesos. So, he writes another letter to God, asking him not to send the money through the post office, as he believes they are a bunch of crooks. Let me explain to you the themes of the story. 1. Faith and innocence. Lencho's strong and innocent faith in God is central to the story. He never doubts God's existence or generosity, even in his time of despair. 2. Hope in desperation. After losing his crops, Lencho doesn't give up. Instead, he writes a letter to God with full hope and confidence that he will be helped. 3. Humanity and kindness. The postmaster and his colleagues are touched by Lencho's faith and show selfless kindness by donating money to help him, even though they don't know him personally. 4. Irony and misunderstanding. The greatest irony is that Lencho, who has unshakable faith in God, misunderstands the real helpers and accuses them of theft. Beautiful explanation of the title. A Letter to God. The title is symbolic and literal. It is literal because Lencho actually writes a letter and addresses it to God, expecting a reply. It is symbolic because the letter represents hope, faith, and belief in divine help. It shows how, in moments of despair, people often turn to a higher power for support. The title also highlights the innocence of Lencho's faith and the unexpected outcome of his request. About the author, Gregorio Lopez y Fuentes, born 1897, Mexico, died 1966. Occupation: novelist, journalist, and short story writer. Known for his realistic stories portraying rural Mexican life and the struggles of the poor, he often focused on themes like poverty, faith, injustice, and human dignity.